gas price still moving in a particular range, as I've already explained you, and this is from 2023. What we have seen, there is a continuous downfall, and this where the price was not very volatile as compared to previously what we have seen. Okay, now the price is moving in this particular zone with a $3 is a high of that particular zone and a $2 is a low of that particular zone. So what you have to understand looking at this particular chart, that once started moving below $2, then only we can see it can go further down, but otherwise if it started moving up $3, then only we can see it can have made some changes and then started going further upside. Before we move ahead and explain you where the price of natural gas can go, if you have any doubt, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. Please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link I've given in the description, you can join that too. Look at this particular chart. There's a continuous downfall we have seen, and it is trying to form a swing at this particular level. So suppose if the price sustain this level, chances of going towards $2.214 is there, and if that level goes further upside, then we can see a level of $2.275. Okay, keep this in mind. Once started sustaining this level, chances of touching is there, and once started going higher, then we can see a level of $2.490. Okay, and once started going further high, then we can see it can touch a level of $2.620 to a level of $2.724. And once it started going higher, then we can see a level of $2.878 to a level of $3. Okay, keep that in mind. Once started moving above a level of $2.8, then we can see a level of $3, and then further upside if the price goes above that particular zone. Okay, and once started going above $3, then you can see yes, a probability of going further upside is there. But look at this particular trend. There we have seen a red candles are forming as well as green. Volatility is in a higher range, but it is moving on the downside. Overall trend is downside. Okay, so suppose if this the green candle we have seen for a particular day today, okay, suppose if this level didn't sustain, then the next support we can see coming at around $2.104, which is already a weak support. So chances are high if that level goes further down, then we can see a level of $2.084, and once started moving below that particular level, chances of going further low is there, and a probability is there it can move further down towards a level of $2.008 to a level of 1.87, and once started moving below this level, then we can see a level of $1.783, and from there we can see it can go towards a level of $1.663. Okay, and once the price fall below that particular level, then we can see a level of $1.528. Keep that in mind. Once started moving below $2, chances of touching 1.9 is there, and from there we can see a level of 1.783, and once started moving below that level, then we can see level of $1.66 to a level of 1.528, and once it's to move below that level, then we can see it can go further down. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail IDs in the description as well. Okay, and once started moving above a level of $3, then you can see it can go further upside. Okay, now understand why most of the traders lose money. Why? Because they try to make double the capital in single day or in a minimum period of time, so they take the risk of full capital. So I teach how to overcome all these things. So suppose if you take $10,000 as your capital, some might be taking 100 or some might be taking 1,000. Try to trade with 10 to 15% of capital per trade. Take a risk of 0.5 to 1%, that is $50 to $100. Okay, now if you took that particular trade, so $50 to $100 is your maximum risk. So $500, suppose if you look 5 trades also, maximum risk will be $500 because 100 per trade, and if you lose all 500, then relax for the day and then trade the next day. But people do so much of loss and they try to recover it, and in that process they lose their full capital. This is what they do. I teach how to overcome all these things. If you want to attend that workshop, mail me regarding that and we can work out on the timing. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe it.